Hi guys, welcome back to the Diecast Kingdoms channel. Today we're opening up this Hot Wheels track. So we're
What is this one? It can be a box too, right?
Yeah, it can.
So you can use it for storage of your little cars.
Yeah, and so you can the like cars that you're always playing with, you can put them here. And you don't have to put them in your box of cars.
Oh, cool! And you can transfer them.
Yeah.
It's pretty strong.
It is. I don't think it can break this one.
No. Very good quality.
Yeah.
Okay, so what cars we have today? Do you want to open it to show people how you open it?
HEB.
From HEB, but I'm sure they can find it on Walmart and Target and Amazon. Good. So do you want to show them how you open it?
So first you just do this. It's really easy to open. Just do this. Let me fix the track a little quick.
Okay.
So first we have
And what cars we have today?
a Honda Civic. You can open the engine.
Okay, can I see it?
Yeah.
Oh, so we can open engine.
Yeah.
And this is a Honda Civic, right?
Yeah, it's a Honda Civic.
Pretty nice car. And these cars, they all come in a set, right?
Yeah.
All of them.
And I bought them from Target. It didn't come with this.
Okay.
We have another car.
What about this one?
We have another car. It came with this.
Oh, so this car, it comes with this one.
Yeah.
Can I see it?
And because it's one of the fastest cars that we have, so the winner gets to race this one.
Oh, okay. So let's save it here then.
Yeah.
Okay, so next car is which one we have?
A Mitsubishi.
Mitsubishi.
And it doesn't open the engine, it opens the doors instead.
Oh, it's open engines?
No, it doesn't.
It doesn't open engines, just doors.
Yeah, I can show it to you. To the audience.
Nice. Let me see. Oh, nice. I love the chairs inside.
Yeah.
Pretty luxurious. Okay, the other one is?
A Nissan Skyline GTR. And there's like some cars that don't have the hood. This one doesn't have, but you can replace the hood if you wanted.
Okay, and what car is this?
A Nissan Skyline GTR. I already told it to you.
Okay. I love the color.
Yeah, it's blue and white. And then next we have another Nissan. I can't tell the kind of Nissan. But it also opens the engine. There's a lot of cars that opens the engine. There's just one that doesn't. It's this and this.
Okay.
So
let me show them this one. Nice car.
And last and not least, it is the Toyota Supra.
And that one open engine, right?
This is one of my favorite ones.
Cool. Okay, so now you're ready for the race?
Yeah.
Let's see who's gonna win.
What cars do you pick?
Okay, I think I'm gonna go for one car. I'm gonna go with one car. I think the car that's gonna win today, I think is the blue one. What about you?
I think...
You want me to pick two?
Yeah.
Which one? Okay, then I'll go with the blue and the white.
And I'm gonna choose the Toyota's Supra and this Nissan and the Mitsubishi. That's the cars I think is gonna win.
So you picked red, green, yellow.
Yeah, you picked gray, blue.
And for me, blue and white. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's place them here.
So Honda Civic is gonna be in lane 3. And this Nissan is gonna be in lane 1. Toyota Supra is gonna be in lane 4. And the Mitsubishi is gonna be in lane 2. And the Nissan Skyline GTR is going to be in lane 5.
Okay, let's fix the track so it doesn't hit anything.
Yeah.
Can you move a little bit that way? Okay. Ready?
Yeah. On your marks, get set. Who was it?
The yellow.
No, it was this one.
Oh, it was the
Yeah,
red?
listen, did you see how fast this was? It was the first.
It was the first one?
Yeah.
Okay.
So it is the first one.
The first one. Now we're gonna repeat the race between those 4 to see.
Yeah. So lane 1, lane 2, lane 4. Because this one was on lane 3, so we're switching the lanes.
Okay.
On your marks, get set. Oh, it was this one.
It was a green?
Yeah.
Okay, green
Second.
on the second place.
And
Back to the race between those 3.
this is my always slow car. On your marks, get set. Oh, it was my yellow one.
I saw that.
All of my cars are winning.
Okay, so now we're gonna these 2 race between these 2.
It's her cars. Lane 5, lane 1. Now let's just do these lanes. I'm excited. Oh, it looks like the Honda Civic. Okay.
Yeah, the Honda.
It is. This one is last place. So this one's first. So it's racing up against
Oh, with the legend.
the champ. It's a symbol.
Okay.
Big symbol. Marxite. Oh, it was the symbol.
Yeah, the
What is this
symbol. It's very fast.
Yeah, and I have another car. It's way faster than this one.
Okay, you want to show it to us?
Yeah, but
So what are those you brought here?
It's a Mercedes 300,
Put it here because I can see. Okay.
and then we have a McLaren. Then we have a McLaren P1 in gold. And then last we have the Acura NSX.
Ooh, so they're gonna be racing
Yeah, against the symbol.
against the symbol. Okay, so let's put them on the track.
So no, they're gonna race all in one. So I think we should race the Mercedes first.
Okay.
Where's the symbol?
I don't know.
Are you seeing on it? Somewhere
The symbol.
against the Mercedes Benz. Unmarked guitar. Oh, that was super close, but it
Yeah,
was like the
super close.
Mercedes. Not the symbol. So it's the symbol against the McLaren P1. Let's just do Unmarked guitar. I guess we have to do another race.
Okay.
Because it was so close. That was the symbol, not the P1. The P1 lost. So now we have the Acura NSX versus the symbol. Unmarked gets that. Oh, it was the NSX. That was NSX, but that was so close, so I have to do this. But look at the NSX go. But I think I have to do can we do another race of this?
Okay.
Because I don't think it was ready. Unmarked gets it. It was the P1. Oh, the symbol
Yeah, that was very
the-
fast.
Yeah, that was a P1. So, now we're going to race all these 3 against the symbol.
The symbol, okay.
The symbol might be last. It should be last. Look, you said. Oh, this one was second. This one, the NSX was actually
It was
first.
the first. Wow.
Actually, it was last. It was last.
Mm-hmm.
The Mercedes was second, the P1 was third, this one was last.
So now who's the winner?
NSX.
Let's
is
put
the
it here.
first.
You wanted to race against the red car that won earlier?
The Supra?
Yeah.
Okay. I will definitely put the NSX. I'm excited. It was the NSX.
Yeah.
The NSX is still our champ.
NSX is faster. Now, do you want to show people how they close this and how they store their
They
vehicles?
just do it like this.
Is it easy to close?
It's really easy. They just do this.
Oh, nice.
Just
And it should click. Awesome. And then they can use it as a car storage, right?
yeah.
Where's the small vehicles? They can go here, the diecast.
So you can.
For easy cleanup, right?
Yeah.
And they can store their favorite vehicles for future races.
Yeah, and they have another Aqua NSX. It's the exact same, just different color. It's purple.
Yeah. Okay.
And it's also Hot Wheels.
Nice. Awesome. And then you can carry it like this.
Yeah.
That's great. Okay, guys, thanks for watching our video. And see you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Bye.